kami mag-picture. Thank you sa kapatid ko. Sobrang cooperative. Tapos na kami. Hi, bud! Anong aking outfit? Oh. Dumi na kami. And tinanggal ko lang to para dito. Hindi pa akong kumakain. Look at that makeup. I did that. Time check. 9:20 and ang traffic. Gosh, nakakaloka. Dito talaga, napapansin ko, lagi ako natatanggalan ng makeup.
And the board chairperson, Honorable Leia Primitiva S. Paki.
The Board of Nursing can issue these licenses and register you, but we can also take the way.
December 2025 at the SMX Convention Center.
Wherever you go, you will always look for a Filipino nurse. Very good. What's your name? Hereby swear that I will support obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders from the help me God. So help me God. Registered nurses, congratulations!
Welcome to our new colleagues in the nursing profession.